Welcome to this video tech tip presented by IMAGINiT Technologies. My name is Brian Johnson and I am an application expert with IMAGINiT. This video will present a new Civil 3D corridor target mapping dialog and workflow that has been released by Autodesk. Autodesk introduced a new dialog with new workflow and features for corridor target mapping with the release of Civil 3D 2022.1. The new look may seem a bit confusing at first, but only because we have been accustomed to the previous version. The overall workflow is simplified by removing the secondary dialogues for selecting the object targets and incorporating the process into a single primary dialog, and also adding additional features. This new dialog allows us to set targets without having to open additional dialogues like in the previous version. Some additional tools have been added, such as filtering. If I go to a column that has an arrow, I can filter on terms in that column. There is also a right-click menu that allows you to zoom to subassemblies or copy targets and paste targets between subassemblies. At the top, I have two tabs, one for setting my offset and elevation targets, and another for setting my surface targets. In this example, I'll set the width target for the lane super elevation on the left side. By selecting the row for the width target, the bottom of the dialog will populate with target items. On the left-hand side, I have alignments that are available within the drawing. On the right side, I have feature lines, polylines, and survey figures. If I'm unsure by the name, I can always click on the green box to select from the drawing, which allows me to go out to the drawing, select the particular line that I want to target, and it allows me to set that target. If I want to continue to set my surface target, click on the Surface tab, and in the same workflow, I can set surface targets for individual subassemblies. This new dialog is modeless, which means it can stay open while I work. I can continue to make changes and rebuild the corridor while this dialog stays open. I can also continue to work within Civil 3D while it stays open. This workflow seems to have improved efficiency and made it easier to identify available target objects. Hopefully you will find this improved workflow and additional functionality useful. Thank you for visiting IMAGINiT Technologies Video Tech Tips. If you would like more information, please visit us at IMAGINiT.com or call 800-356-9050.